Hello, everybody. Latunji here. So, quickly take a look at how organizations move on to SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is another useful tool that we can use. SWOT analysis is a technique for identifying key factors that might affect business strategy. The key factors that may affect our strategy, that is our competitiveness. Of course, SWOT analysis is a very simple tool, but at the same time is effective. It's effective. SWOT analysis is very effective if we dig deep into what we should actually analyze about using SWOT analysis. And when we want to use SWOT analysis, it simply means S stands for the strength, W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunity, YT stands for the threat. Strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So we say, okay, what are our strengths? Probably in form of natural resources. It could be the strength, know-how, good employee, and the like may be our strength. So we must target it and know how we are going to use those strengths very well to maximize our competitiveness and competitive advantage against our competitor. Weakness. What are our weaknesses? We must be sincere with ourselves as an organization when we want to identify our weaknesses. In which area are we weak? You see, customer loyalty. You see, employee technical know-how. You see, lack of enough resources and the like. We must be able to know what are our weaknesses and make a checklist of them. Then what are our opportunities or the opportunities within our market segment, within our industry, even as organization? We must scan through our external environment that might be exploited, and we take our strategic advantage of the opportunity around us, maybe within our niche, the fragmented market that we want to serve, and the like. Also, threats. What are the threats, especially externally, that could threaten our survival? Maybe political upheaval, change of government, change of regulation, regulators' instability or insensitivity that may have adverse risk for the future prospect of our organization. So this is the summary of SWOT analysis. And when we want to use SWOT analysis, we need to make a checklist of all these strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats. A long list, a sincere list of what our strengths and our weaknesses are in the organization. So Latunji, I've been talking from GJAMESASSOCIATES. We are value to your life, value to your business. Click the notification button, subscribe to us, like us, engage with us, comment, and let's see